We've got a new activity that we've been trying today, haven't we, Jess?
Yeah.
Would you like to tell us what it's called?
Dangerous decimals.
Go on then, flip up that sheet and show us so we can see what we've got. What have we got on here?
Poisonous animals.
And what's next to each poisonous animal?
Their poison rating.
A poison rating. Okay, so if you got stung or bitten by any of these, it tells you how much poison is going to go in you. So to practice adding decimal numbers, I've been mixing some of these animals up, and we've pretended you've had a very bad day and got attacked by more than one creature. And we need to tell the doctor how much poison is inside you. All right then, so let's give it a go, and we're going to use our number stacks counters for the first question. So Jess, I would like you to imagine that you've been swimming in the sea and got stung by a jellyfish, and then on your way out you stood on a scorpion. So jellyfish and scorpion, what's the jellyfish's poison rating?
3.7.
Good, so you're building that. What are those pink counters you've got there?
Tenths.
Tenths, why are they called tenths?
Because you need 10 of them to make a whole one.
Okay, very good, well explained. And what's the poison rating of the scorpion?
2.6.
So 2 whole ones and 6 tenths. Good, so we've got to mix them together so we can get that doctor on the case as quick as we can. So let's add together those two numbers then.
So I'll add up the 2 and the 3, so that makes 5.
Okay,
And then I'll add the 7 and the 6, which is 13.
okay, and so what's the answer, 5.13?
Because you can't go over 10.
Ah, yes, you said if you get 10 of them, you make a whole one.
So we'll swap that for a whole one. So now instead of 5, that's 6. And then, so it's 6.3.
6.3. Ooh, doesn't sound very healthy, does it? A 6.3 poison rating. Well done, Jess. Slide those counters out the way. And we've done a few of those, haven't we? So let's test your knowledge now of one without counters and see if you can apply that same logic. This is going to be a very unlucky day, Jess, because I'm going to imagine that you've been caught by a snake and a spider. Looks like a black widow spider. Snake and spider. Snake is 6.9, spider is 8.5. What would that equal?
In real life, it would equal death.
Yeah, probably death, but without using the counters, could you add together 6.9 and 8.5?
So start with the 8 plus the 6, which is 14.
Good.
And then 9 plus the 5, which is also 14. But you can't go over 10. So you would get the 10 from the 14.
So from the tenths, yeah.
Yeah. And then you would swap it for another one. So then that's 15. And then you would have 4 left. So that's 15.4.
15.4. It makes the jellyfish and scorpion sound friendly, really, doesn't it?
Yes.
So where are we off to now? The doctors?
Yes.
Off to the doctors to get you made good again. And that's the game, really. But we can add a bit more challenge into it if you want, because what I would normally do at this point is once they've got it, I would give them the total poison rating instead and see if the children could work out which animals they must have been stung by. And if I was feeling really mean, I might give them a total that's made up from 3 creatures, and it might take them a while to work out which 3 creatures I've chosen. So when you get back from the imaginary doctors, Jess, we might give that one a try as well, okay? But we'll leave it there, and just like with all the other activities, I'll put a link to the Dangerous Decimals creatures sheet in the description for this video, so you can have a go at it yourself if you want. And that'll do. So bye for now.